Laura Robles with Walter's Gardens, and we're here today to give you a little sneak peek of some of our brand new varieties that we are going to be launching at California Spring Trials here in about 2 weeks. So behind me here we have one of our brand new varieties, or actually two of our brand new varieties. This is a brand new genus in the Proven Winners perennial lineup, Granero. So we have two new varieties. The one over here, from here that way, is called Jack of Diamonds. This one is going to be a variety that has some nice silver in it, but has definitely more of the green veining in the leaves that you can see. And then over here we have the other new variety called Queen of Hearts. So Queen of Hearts is more of a silvery. It's a little bit hard to tell on the plants that have been vernalized and are flowering, because until the leaves really expand you don't see the full coloration. But here you can see a plant that was planted from fresh liners that have never been vernalized, and you can really see how much more silver is on that leaf. So both varieties, overall key characteristics would be, for one, large leaves. So again, this is going to be something that you see after the flowering finishes, is when the leaf expansion really starts to happen, and you'll see it more so in the garden than you will in a container. So in the garden with maturity, these will really get to be about 9 to 11 inch diameter leaves. Both varieties are also going to have good resistance to anthracnose and to bacterial leaf spot. So they both have nice clean foliage. It stays clean in production, and then also over the course of the summer, some of the older genetics of Granero tend to get some of these foliar issues. Both of these varieties remain nice and clean through the summer. This is another brand new genus for the Proven Winners lineup. So we have Achillea now. This is a series or a collection of 4 varieties of Achillea. It's going to be called the Firefly Collection. So we're going to have Sunshine, which you can see in flower right here, a nice bright yellow, kind of a mainstay in Achillea, that color. And then we're also going to have a white called Diamond, Peach Sky, and Amethyst, which is a pinky purple. So the main characteristics on this collection of Achillea is that they're going to be intermediate to tall garden height, but have really nice strong stems that resist lodging and flopping over at retail, and then the color spectrum is also good across the colors. Another new variety that we have this year, we're actually launching 2 new color additions to the Opening Act series of hybrid phlox. So just as a reminder, the Opening Act series is going to bloom about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than traditional paniculata type phlox, and also has really good disease resistance against powdery mildew that paniculatas often will get. Good fill in a container, lots of flowers. So this one here is called Pinkadot. This is one of our new varieties. So the flowers on this are a really light blush, appear white from a distance, and then have a nice darker pink central star coloration. And then we also have a new variety called Ultra Pink that's a really deep kind of pinky, really bright color for the series. We're launching 3 new sedums in the Proven Winners collection of perennials this year. The first one is Sedum Boogie. This is a variegated Kamchatkam version of sedum. So you can see the nice tight mounded habit, nice variegation. The variegation is stable on this variety. We really don't see much of any reversion. And then nice bright yellow flowers that are going to be in bloom in about early summer. The next one here is Sedum Yellow Brick Road. So as you can see, the habit is definitely a little bit different than this one. It's still going to be a nice mound in the landscape, but a little bit more of a sprawling habit. Also yellow flowers, but later in the summer. And then you can see, especially outside under higher light conditions, it'll get a red stem that really sets off the color and the fine foliage really nicely. And then our third new variety is called Sedum Pride Joy. So Pride Joy is a sport out of Pure Joy. Pure Joy is a light pink. Pride Joy is a deeper kind of rosy pink, and then also has a little bit more of a bluish cast to the foliage, but otherwise is very similar. Same really tight, dense mushroom cap habit. Really loaded with flowers, and then is going to be more of your really late summer into fall flower. Another new series expansion that we're bringing out this year is Veronica Purple Illusion. This is a new color addition to the Magic Show series in the Proven Winners perennial lineup. So like the other varieties in the series, this one's going to have nice vivid coloration. You can see it's a really nice kind of violety magenta color. Nice fill and presence in a container. Purple Illusion has really a very sturdy flower and flower stem on it, so it has a very kind of just vigorous look to it. And then as it ages, you'll also get a lot of this secondary and tertiary branching off the flowering. So when it's in full flower, it's really great color saturation over the plant. Thanks for watching. This was just a little sneak peek of some of our new varieties that our breeding team has been working hard on and that we're bringing to the industry in a couple weeks here. So hopefully we'll see you at California Spring Trials.